discuss how to fix screen flickering issue on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and make sure turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. It just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.